Hello students. So WID exam dates announced ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ and most of you have started with the preparation already, and the students who have completed the syllabus, you might be already doing the revision as well. All right, so in my yesterday's video I told you ki don't worry much, have nice dinner and sleep well, and tomorrow morning I will be discussing about what Sandpoint is offering for you, that is how Sandpoint can support for you in this journey of 1 month. So ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಅನಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, because I myself received calls till night 12 o'clock asking about like what are the strategies, which subjects I have to study and all. So I will try answering all those questions in this today's session, and believe me, this session is going to be very informative for you guys. So stay tuned till the end of this particular video. So first of all, I will be discussing what Sandpoint is offering for you guys. So the very first thing is test series. So we offer test series for technical as well as general studies, and there are 51 tests in the technical subjects. Okay, and how to subscribe for these test series and all I will be discussing little later. And second plan what we have come up with is, so you guys are asking me like, is there any fast track course or is there any revision course or something like that. So this is the 11th hour of the time. What I personally feel is it's very difficult to go through all the books and all, whether it is a revision or whether you are studying from the scratch now. So what I personally feel is, if you subscribe for the video lectures what we are offering for you guys, okay, because in the video lectures we have given the option of the increase in speed like 1.25x, 1.5x, 1.75x and 2x. So you just keep watching the video lectures, do not write any notes and all, because it's just 1 month of time. Do not worry about the writing notes, just rewind the video and you can watch it again also. Just keep watching the videos and complete the syllabus as much as possible. So this is the best way of revision, because what happens when you study on your own, it takes lot of time, because you will not understand each and every concept. Again you will Google, or you will try finding some other books, or you will ask your friends, or you will post your doubts in the groups, and you keep waiting for the answer of that particular question whichever you have posted. So instead of that, if you listen someone who is explaining you right from the basics, it will be very easy. So in this regard, what plans we have made is, we are offering the entire KPSC syllabus, that is WID syllabus, for 15,000 rupees for 1 year validity. And ours is the only institute which launched the classes for this particular exam the day of the notification last year. So the students whoever have joined quite long, they have paid this much fees for the technical. But now considering only 1 month 1 week time, so what we are offering is, we are providing the same course at 8,000 rupees. So all the subjects will be there, but the validity is 2 months exactly. So for example, the package will get closed exactly 2 months from today's date, because the exam date is on July 31st as well as August 1st. So our package validity will be around till August 27th, 28th, something like that. So we are giving already 20 days more than that of the exam, considering if there is any postponement of the exam, but that postponement relaxation we are giving 20 to 25 days, not more than that. That is, the package will get automatically closed from 2 months from today's date. Alright, so this is for the entire course I am talking about, and this includes PDF notes as well as free test series of worth 1,500 rupees. And you can do the revision very quickly, and once you purchase and all, again I will be discussing with you guys which subject you have to study and all, and how much time you have to devote per subject, because you have to divide the subjects in all these around 30-35 days of the schedule. And the second plan what we have come up with, some of the students say that the 8,000 rupee might be more for them. Yes, obviously even 1,000 rupee is also more for the students. So what we have done is, considering the weightage of the previous year question paper analysis, that is 2017, so we have chosen 6 important subjects. Okay, like for example, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, building materials and concrete technology, estimation and costing, then fluid mechanics, strength of materials. So this 6 subjects are there, and it costs only 4,000 rupees for 2 months validity. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ you can pay 4,000 rupees and you can join the course, and again it is valid for 2 months. Okay, so but if you want for the upcoming PWD, RDPR, whatever it is, so you can go ahead with the 15,000 package where 20 technical subjects are there, wherein we have taught right from the basics, and it will be helping you for all the notifications, and it is valid for 1 year with free test series. Okay, so these are about the video lectures. Yakandra, see, quick revision and all, I feel ki this is the most effective way. Okay, because see, you can do some trial and error also. You can watch some of the video lectures which we have uploaded in the YouTube channel already, like highway engineering, you can take environment, bridge engineering, airport, whichever subjects you can take, and you increase the speed by 1.25x in the YouTube, or 2x also if you are able to understand. Then if you feel like yes, you are able to grasp whatever is being explained by us, then there is no problem in subscribing for this particular package. Okay na? So this is about video lectures. So next plan what I would like to discuss is, we are coming up with a plan of 2-day revision live course for the students. Like for example, environmental engineering, bridge engineering I will be teaching. So for 2 days I will be doing the entire revision of environmental engineering. The first day will be completely water supply, and the second day will be wastewater engineering, wherein you will not be given time to write the notes, because this is about revision. Illa andre, if you keep writing notes or if you keep solving the questions and all, then 2 days will not be enough for you. And I feel this live class will be more beneficial for the students who have already completed the entire syllabus and who have studied by their own, or whoever have joined our institute or any of the institutes. So our subject ಬಗ್ಗೆ at least 80% of knowledge iddagana, these short term revision courses will be beneficial for you, because all the courses will be paid only obviously, but the pricing will be very reasonable. We haven't decided yet, so it will be very less. So in 2 days one subject, if the subject is little bigger, and for the small subjects like bridge or some other subjects, irrigation, hydrology and all, it can be only for 1 day. So this is about the live revision classes, because I had got calls for different sectors yesterday, like ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಣ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಣ ಅಂತ. So we want to cater something like this for all the variety of the students. All right, but personally I feel, okay, rather than these live classes, recorded classes will be more beneficial, because you can choose whichever subject you want, and you know in which subject you are weak, in which subject you need more revision. So once you get the package of all 17 to 20 subjects, you pick the subjects which you find very difficult and quickly do the revision. So this is the best way actually, rather than, because when we keep the live classes, we keep it as per our schedule. So we might start with strength of materials, we might start with fluid mechanics, we might start with environmental engineering, but you might be needing RCC, something like that. So do not wait for someone else, because you don't have any time now. Illa madam hinge helyaru, I will wait for the madam, and whenever she takes the live classes as the revision, I will join, that time I will do. Because whenever time is more, then you can give time for someone else, but now there is no time for you. So choose the best option which you feel as more convenient, more comfortable, and which will fetch you the best results for this particular exam. So recorded will be more beneficial rather than these live classes or something like this, but still I am giving this as a information. Ultimately you are the one who will be taking the decision. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ಸತಿ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ some of the students are now asking what is the syllabus, what is the paper pattern and all. So if you check the WRD playlist in our YouTube channel, I have made around 6 to 7 videos, and if you watch all those 6 to 7 videos without skipping a minute, then you need not ask doubts to anyone else. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ, whenever I make any video, I make with my experience of discussing with the students. Okay, so that is why I try answering each and every doubt what the student might get about this particular point. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಾರ ಥರನೂ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ if you follow that accordingly, then you will not get the results. So watch all the 6-7 videos of the WRD playlist and make each and every doubts clear. I had made the video right from last year notification to the paper pattern, syllabus, eligibility criteria, vacancies, and I have done the analysis of technical as well as general studies of 2017 question paper. I have discussed the weightage of the subjects, each and every tip, and also whenever I am making any video in between I give tips as well ki how to study. If you are joining us, then how you have to study. If you are studying on your own, which subjects you have to pick, how you have to study, how you have to look for the sources which are more reliable. That is more important. So you have to choose the resources which are more reliable or from which you can fetch some results. Then only you go ahead with that particular content. Whether that content is free, whether that content is paid, that is not important. So when you get selected in this WRD as AE, that selection matters. No one will ask you whether you have studied for 15 hours per day, whether you haven't studied, whether you have given the options just by guessing, whether you have done the self-study, whether you have joined the coaching, whether you have paid the 10,000 fees, 1 lakh fees. No one bothers about that, and even you also should not bother at this point of time, because ultimately you are targeting for the best position in any government jobs in our state. Okay, so take the decision wisely, and whichever you want you can go ahead with that accordingly. And meanwhile, one more thing, what the students will be having in their mind is, madam the coaching institute ಐತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೊನೆಟ್ರಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಓಪನ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ later on also. But ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು you cannot take care, because we don't know when the notification might happen next time, and you don't know like how much by spending 4 or 8,000 rupee whatever fees is there, what better you can get from that ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ದಾಗ ಇರ್ತನೋ ನಾ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ದಾಗ ಇರ್ತನೋ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಐತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರತ್ತೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು 1 year ಆದ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, information ಕೊಡಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ or if you are not sure about your preparation or your direction, then you can join. So it's up to you. I am not insisting anything for you guys. So think about you now. It's time to think only about you and how you can utilize this 1 month very effectively. And I personally suggest you have to spend minimum 15 hours per day now. So 15 hours. I know it's very difficult, madam. Ishtang easy agi ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. See, you are very matured. You are not a school going student now. ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಹೆವಿ ಆಕೈತಿ. No, just it's matter of 1 month. ಇದು 1 month ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರತಿ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 13 to 15 hours ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, not for someone else. Understand that very, very carefully. You are doing it for yourself, for your future. So don't bother about anyone else. Don't think about anyone else. Don't think about any other commitments. If you are serious about this exam, that too I am saying, if you are serious, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸೋದು ನೆಸಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್, then you have to work very, very seriously, because this is competitive exam. Just by superficial study or just by going through some MCQs and all, this will not fetch you any marks. Remember, my words might feel you very hard, okay, because I always talk practically. I never go with the emotions. Superficial study ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, because we don't know how they will ask you the question. So you have to know the concepts very, very clearly, then only you can do MCQs. So do not get biased. Do not get biased with any of the other information. Just trust someone. If you feel like trusting them, follow what they say and do it accordingly without feeling any stress in your body. Relax and do. And in this 1 month of time, I am there with you. Whether you join our course, you don't join, whatever it is, that doesn't matter me. I am a teacher end of the day, and I am here to guide you in a right direction. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಕೇಳಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓದೇನಿ, ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಓದೇನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಓದಲಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಫಾರ್ 1 month ಟೈಮ್. and I am ready to take the calls at any time. Don't worry, till night 12 o'clock also I will take the calls, early morning also I will take the calls. So don't worry about that. You can call me anytime with free mind. Just work for yourself, and Sandpoint is there with you in this 1 month of journey, and I am here to support you morally, but ultimately you are the one who have to study, and I know the one who are very serious, you will definitely do it. All the very best. So now I will tell you how to register for the individual courses. So onstream.sandpoint.co.in ಅಂತ type ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then you will see this particular LMS portal. So you can click on this view packages, or you can click on this courses. So now these are the various packages available. So I was talking you about the validity of this KPSA 2 months validity package, which costs 8,000 rupees. So you can click on this view and you can see all the subjects are uploaded. So all the subjects are there. Again, if you see here, you will get to know which are the topics uploaded in this, and even PDFs are also available. And test series is also free for this particular package. And this is about highway, this is about steel, so this is about geotechnical engineering. So we have covered each and every topic exhaustively. So you can see here, and irrigation. So similarly all the subjects are there. Whichever subject you take in civil engineering, each and every topic and every subject is there in this particular package. And if you want to subscribe for this particular package, so remember this is valid for only 2 months from today. Okay, remember, from today. So if you click on this buy package, then you need to register here. Okay, because you cannot access the package straight away until and unless you make the registration. So put all your credentials and you will get an email ID. So just verify that. After that it will take you to the payment gateway, and then you can make the payment and the video lectures will be accessible to you. That is, you can start watching the video lectures, and every video lecture can be viewed for 4 times. And now this is the high weightage subjects which I was talking about. So illa madam namige ishtu sikra saaku annongittandra, so we have added geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, building materials and construction, strength of materials, fluid mechanics, estimation and costing. So there it costs 4,000 rupees, and again this is also valid for 2 months. Okay, now this is about general studies, because some of you are asking for general studies also. So actual course fee for this general studies is 5,500 rupees for 1 year validity. But now for this particular package for 2 months, we are giving all 10 subjects. So you can see history, geography, aptitude, GK, current affairs and all. So all these subjects are given only for just 3,000 rupees with test series for free. So you can click on this buy now, and then you can purchase the package. So these are the packages which are being offered to you now. But if you feel like, ma'am, I want to, because now you can see like the gadget of RDPR, and even we don't know like what will happen with the PWD. So if the PWD exam happens, something like that. So if you want the package for long term, then it costs 15,000 rupees for 1 year validity, and all the again same subjects will be there with test series for free, and the PDF for all the subjects are also available. So you can see here. Okay, so this is about 1 year validity if you want, or if you are targeting for the other exams as well. And if you want the GS for 1 year validity, then it is 5,500. So these are the courses which you can purchase by your own, and then you can start studying instead of waiting for someone else to get inputs from them, because time is very short. So I don't want you to waste the time. So if you are really serious, then start studying for all the subjects very, very seriously. Okay.